Hello world, this is subscribers request number 34 and I got this comment on my channel. How can I change vertices color like you? Probably the guy means how to change color from default orange. Well, I personalized colors for inside Blender. By default, this cube's supposed to be orange, but I changed it to more pleasant and at least personal to me, more pleasant color. And also I changed vertices to close to a 3ds Max theme, because I used to work in 3ds Max before Blender, and as I remember correctly, the vertices in 3ds Max usually are blue. So I'm going to show you how to change color. First you have to go to the edit preferences, and here you gotta you have to select themes and 3D viewport, and here you can actually change vertices color during editing mode. If you can see, I don't know, these vertices are kind of small, so probably not that visible. Let me change scale so it's more visible, but all menus are changed scale too, so maybe it's better leave it at 1 or maybe 1.5. Vertices are still too small. Okay, go to the themes and no, I gotta change it back to the one. Here you also can change not only vertices color, but for example selected polygon color too. Selected polygon, it is here, face. If I change it from green to red, oh no, it's not face selected, it has to be, yeah, face selected. I don't know if you can see my mouse movements. Double check it very quickly. Oh no, you didn't see my cursor movements. Now you should be able to see it. Okay, here you change face, or you choose face selected and changing its color. It's not really visible though, because it's transparent. You have to change alpha to make it more apparent, and it's all edited in editing mode. I tried to select colors, so I to choose colors that visible, like in different modes. And again, I choose the green, so because it's more pleasant to me to look at the green selected faces, but you can select any. For example, in 3ds Max, faces are red, and the active last selected face is a different color. It's kind of mixed with the green and the red. That's why it's a little bit weird. There has to be like a active object. No. Object selected. I lost it. I'm sorry, people. But here all of them are, and you can kinda get a little bit, make some experiments with it, and you can always load default factory preferences. If you mess something up, just load factory preferences and it's going to be just like a standard Blender theme. So that's how you can choose different colors. Okay, let me return to my previous settings. And this is subscribers request number 34. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, you can always leave a mean comment on the comment section below. Till next time, bye bye.